Hi guys, my name is Jess and welcome to my channel. I haven't shut up about this liquid lipstick, so today will be another video about this. If you have not seen the reveal video, just pause this, watch that. It'll be linked below and then this will all make more sense to you, but Kalon Kosmetics decided to name a liquid lipstick after some influencers and I was one of them. This is my color, and in today's video, since today is the day of the launch, I've decided to show you how beautiful this liquid lipstick is in more ways than one. I did use it for eyeshadow, used it for liquid blush, and of course it's on my lips. I absolutely love this color. I think it would look good on every single eye color. It's going to bring it out in every single skin tone. I absolutely love this color so much. I'm super into like blush tones, cranberries. I think this look is so fall. So I'm just going to shut up. Remember, today is the launch. This color, these 6 other colors are all available for purchase today. $14 a piece. You will not regret it. I'm going to go buy the 2 shades that I didn't get. I don't know if I revealed those at all, if I said anything about them, but they are gorgeous as well. But anyways, I will just let you guys get into the video, and thank you so much for watching. If you guys decide to buy MessieJess, freaking email me, Instagram me. I would like to see the pictures. Thank you. That's it. Have a great day. Enjoy the video. Don't know how this view is looking. I moved everything around, so I hope you guys like it. I'm starting out with the Advanced Long Wear Concealer, and this is in the shade Extra Light 1. I'm using this to clean up underneath of my brow. So then I'm taking their eyeshadow base, and this one is very old and I've not treated her super well. A little dried out, but still works out really well, which is why I'm kind of mixing it with the wet concealer. I'm just tapping that on my eyelid and kind of blending it up into the concealer. Alright, now that I have a nice thin layer, it's going to be perfect for my eyeshadows. So I'm not starting with eyeshadow. I'm actually going to start with my liquid lipstick, MessieJess. It's not mine, it's Kalon Kosmetics, but I'm going to start out with it. And I'm just going to kind of dot this all over the crease. I'm taking a fluffier brush to kind of blend it out. And because, again, I didn't set anything, this will just blend out really nicely. And I'm doing the same typical shape that I always do just because this is really flattering for my eye shape. And I'm just kind of going into an outer V back here. And I'm going to be blending this up towards the brow bone. That way I get a nice dramatic. Alright, so the first layer is just kind of blending it into the concealer and the eyeshadow base. Now the next one, I'm going to try and get some definition right up in here. Keeping it all right there. Now instead of blending, I'm just kind of going to be patting. Alright, so I'm going to be using the eye dust in the shade Burnt Copper, again from Kalon Kosmetics. I think I say their name differently every time I say it. Please excuse me, I can barely pronounce my own name. This stuff is super pigmented. I'm literally just using what's in the cap, again on a fluffy brush. And I'm just going to kind of dust it all over the eyelid up to the crease. And you'll see how pretty this stuff is. Usually I would use a much smaller brush like this maybe to pat down a eye dust like this, but this shimmer just goes straight on so beautifully, so a fluffy brush will do. Look at that. Just look at it. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the eyeshadow part. Next I'm going to take this Floral Shimmer in Angelic Peach, and I'm going to just be putting this on the inner corner. I'm going to do some lashes off camera just because they're not related to Kalon at all. Alright, so for my face routine, I'm just going to kind of go through it as fast as possible so I get to the liquid lipsticks. I'm going to try to use as many Kalon Cosmetics products as possible. This is their Candle Glow in the shade Pearly Pink. I've already primed my face and stuff like that, so I'm literally just kind of using this for more of a glow. For foundation, I'm going to be doing a couple. First, I'm going to put this Makeup Forever down. This is in 415, which is way, way, way too dark. The reason I'm doing that is because my Flawless foundation stick from Kalon in medium light, which was my favorite shade, is actually, it's gone. She's nubbed out and I've none left. All I have is extra light. So I'll mix these two together for a better color. Using just a Morphe sponge damp to blend this in. A lot of stick foundations definitely need brushes, but this one definitely does not. It's super, super creamy. I may have to use some more of that extra light. I actually think that once I blend out my concealer and stuff, this will all work out. I'm going to, of course, I literally almost never do my full face without using this, which is crazy because I've had this for a long time now and I still have so much. Actually, that's not a lot. That's making me nervous. I definitely need to get more of this. But this is their foundation stick in extra dark and it is the perfect contour color. So I use it all the time. This is their Camouflage Cream Concealer in medium dark, and it is one of the best colors, and as you can see, we are running on E as well. This one I just use with a big brush and just kind of, yeah, this is making me nervous. That's all we're using. Oh no, I'll just put this coming from the contour just so these guys blend together pretty well. Their cream products for the face are my literal favorites, and I'm not just saying that because I love them. When I still had medium light and she was up and running in the foundation stick, blending extra dark with the foundation stick and any other cream products actually just was so easy and just looks so natural. Alright, so now I'm going to use extra light again, and I'm going to use this all over my face to highlight and conceal. I'm going to go a little extra with the highlighting just because I did go a little extra with the foundation color. And I'm just going to put a little bit of this ColourPop concealer just because it's a little bit lighter. And so the two colors mixed together will definitely give me a perfect highlight shade. I really hate to have like too much darkness around my mouth. I think it gives me like makeup mustache. I'm going to use the other side of my sponge. Alright, so I'm going to be using this for blush now, and I'm just going to, I'm scared. I don't want to ruin the whole look by using too much. It would look a lot better over here if I didn't have these active pimples happening, but hopefully I can blend it out to where you can't, it doesn't emphasize it or anything. Yeah, as I could tell, the pimples wanted all of the liquid lipstick for themselves, but it's cool. It won't happen on the side because I don't think I have any acne under there. Really, really added a lot of like color to my face, and it looks really pretty. It doesn't look super dramatic like you might think. And if it does, just go over it with your sponge that has the same foundation on it, and it'll really blend it in. I like my blush to come out on my cheeks more, just because I have a much bigger face than what average people do, I guess. And then I also like it to come all the way up to my temple to just kind of help with the contouring. Looks so pretty. As soon as I saw this color, I knew it would look good as a blush. And I always like to put some on the end of my nose too, which makes me a little bit nervous. I'm just gonna do a little doop, doop. Perfect. Alright, since the rest of my face is not gonna have anything to do with Kalon, I will come back for the lips, which is the most important part, arguably. Alright, so to the best part, MessieJess, the liquid lipstick. It says lip lacquers on their website, but it does say liquid lipstick on the bottom. Anyways, I love this color. If you didn't see the reveal video, that's where all the tears be, but I'm just going to put it on for today. I think you guys know that I love it. I love this freaking look. It looks so good together. It really all comes together. I think it's super fall as well. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope that the other girls who got picked to have the colors in their names, I challenge you guys to do the same thing. I think it will look gorgeous on all of you. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember, if you buy MessieJess, tag me in it. I really, really want to see it. And thank you guys so much again for watching.